Hi, everybody. My name is McKenna Smith, and our group did our research presentation, or research project on the opinions of obesity at BYU Idaho. So I'm going to get up my PowerPoint presentation. Let's see. So here it is. Okay, so here is my poster. And so we did the opinions on obesity at BYU Idaho. And so to introduce it, I just kind of went over that obesity has kind of been a nationwide health concern. It's caused many diseases such as cardiovascular disease, arthritis, and other various diseases. And so we kind of wanted to go with that as a topic of research. And so we did a little bit of background and discovered that weight that is higher than what is considered as a healthy weight for a given height is described as overweight or obese, and that's from the CDC. And then recent studies have shown that 50% of U.S. young adults, typically defined as 18 to 35, are overweight or obese. And that is a lot. Over half of our young adults are overweight, and that covers most of our population at BYU Idaho, and so that's kind of why we use that data. Our methods for doing it were we surveyed the students at BYU Idaho because we felt that was like a good population. We're all BYU Idaho students. 300 students received the survey, but only 48 responded, so we didn't have a really great response. Then we collected their demographics and a cross-sectional study was performed. And so two of our research questions were, the first one being, does taking semester-long classes on topics that promote a healthy lifestyle, such as a nutrition or personal fitness, change the behaviors of BYU Idaho students that contribute to obesity? And so we didn't get a lot of strong correlations, but the strongest that we did find was between fitness classes and eating habit changes. So we found that there was a good correlation between those two. And then the second was, what do BYU Idaho students perceive to be their biggest barriers in fighting or preventing obesity? And they, out of all the studies, the majority of the students surveyed, they felt like they don't like to exercise was the main contributor to that. So in conclusion, we kind of discovered that from this quote that our findings and this quote go hand in hand, that knowledge alone doesn't change behavior, and the exercise habits are harder to maintain than eating habits for both men and women. And then to shape the environment for easier obesity prevention at BYU Idaho, students need help making time, gaining social support, and overcoming food cravings in order to effectively prevent obesity through diet and exercise. And we found that all through our research and our survey questions. So here are our charts for our results. And these are questions that we got good responses from that we could use in our research project. And then here's my works cited.